Let's take a look at this problem. We've got 10x squared minus 90 equal to 0. Now we're going to use zero factor property, so we have to get 0 on one side, which we have, and then we want to factor the other side. To begin with, these have a GCF. They're both divisible by 10, so I can factor a 10 out. And that gives us x squared minus 9. Now looking at what's inside the parentheses, this is going to be difference of two squares. 10 just carries down. Since we have two terms of minus between them, we're going to try to write it as something squared minus something else squared. Now you take a look at each individual piece and you ask yourself what times itself gives you that. X times x gives you x squared, and 3 times 3 gives you 9. I'm going to label what's inside the first set of parentheses as f for first. I'll label what's inside the last set of parentheses as L for last. Our formula for difference of two squares is f plus L times f minus L. Now 10 will keep carrying down. Wherever there's an f, we'll plug in x, and wherever there's an L, we'll plug in 3. So that gives us x plus 3, x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, zero factor property. It says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set 10 equal to 0, I'll set x plus 3 equal to 0, and x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we're solving for a variable. 10 equals 0 doesn't have a variable, so I can cross that out. You actually never need to worry about setting a number equal to 0. This one will take the 3 to the right side, it becomes a negative 3. And this one will take the negative 3 to the right side, and it becomes a positive 3. So our two answers are negative 3 and 3.